Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we have something truly extraordinary to talk about. Something that pushes the boundaries of what we normally consider a car, a home, and a luxury lifestyle. We're diving into the brand new Bugatti Motorhome, 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the legendary hypercar manufacturer, has decided to bring its engineering genius and luxury craftsmanship into the world of motorhomes. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving palace, a road-going yacht, and a hypercar-inspired home all rolled into one. At first glance, the exterior is unlike anything you've ever seen in this segment. Bugatti didn't just build a boxy RV and slap its logo on it. The design cues are unmistakably Bugatti. Sleek aerodynamic lines, that signature horseshoe grille sitting proudly up front, and a stance that looks more like a futuristic spacecraft than a traditional motorhome. The 2026 motorhome comes in several color options, with two-tone finishes that echo the Chiron and Mistral, and every surface has been sculpted for airflow efficiency. The lighting is razor-sharp with full LED matrix technology, and even the side mirrors are replaced by aerodynamic camera stalks that project images onto interior screens. The sheer size of the vehicle is imposing, yet Bugatti has managed to make it appear elegant and sporty. It rides on massive forged alloy wheels with carbon ceramic braking systems, because let's face it, when you're moving something this big and this powerful, you need brakes that can keep up. Step inside and you'll understand why this machine commands such a high level of attention. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine the cabin of a Bugatti hypercar stretched into the space of a luxury apartment. Premium leathers, carbon fiber accents, polished aluminum, and even customizable inlays like marble or rare woods are all available. The driver's cockpit feels futuristic, with a steering wheel inspired by the Chiron's flat-bottom design, a fully digital curved display, and haptic controls that respond with precision. Everything about the cockpit screams supercar, but with the comfort and ergonomics you'd want for long journeys. Moving into the living space, the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 offers features that most luxury apartments would envy. There's a lounge area with modular seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted to match your mood. The kitchen comes equipped with high-end appliances, including induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine designed in partnership with a luxury Italian brand. The bathroom is more like a spa, featuring rainfall showers, heated flooring, and a vanity mirror that doubles as a smart display. And of course, the master bedroom is fitted with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and hidden storage spaces that maximize utility without compromising style. Bugatti also offers customization, so you can tailor the entire interior to match your tastes, whether you prefer minimalist futuristic vibes or rich, classic luxury. Now let's talk about performance. Because this isn't just a showpiece, it's a Bugatti after all. Underneath the sleek bodywork lies a hybrid powertrain that combines Bugatti's legendary W16-inspired technology with advanced electric motors. The result is jaw-dropping for a vehicle of this size. Over 1,800 horsepower and an all-wheel drive system that can launch this motorhome from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. That's quicker than most sports cars, and we're talking about a full-sized motorhome. The ride is surprisingly smooth thanks to adaptive air suspension, which automatically adjusts based on road conditions. Handling has been tuned with active torque vectoring, giving the driver confidence even on winding roads. On pure electric mode, the Bugatti Motorhome can travel around 150 miles, perfect for short commutes or city cruising without emissions, while the combined range with its hybrid system extends well past 800 miles, making cross-country travel possible without constant refueling stops. Bugatti has also integrated cutting-edge technology throughout the driving experience. There's autonomous driving capability for highway cruising, AI-assisted route planning that accounts for charging stations, luxury camping spots, and even Michelin-starred restaurants along your journey. The braking regeneration system captures energy efficiently, and solar panels embedded in the roof can help recharge the onboard batteries, reducing the need for external hookups when parked. Of course, all of this comes at a price, and the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is not aimed at your average traveler. Starting at around $4.5 million, it is one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world. But for that price, you're getting unmatched exclusivity. Production is said to be limited to fewer than 100 units worldwide, and each one will be tailor-made for its owner. Bugatti also offers a concierge service, where owners can have their vehicles serviced anywhere in the world, and custom travel experiences curated just for them. This isn't just transportation, it's an entire lifestyle package designed for those who want the absolute pinnacle of luxury on the road. In summary, the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is a masterpiece that blends the raw performance of a hypercar, the comfort of a 5-star suite, and the convenience of a high-tech motorhome. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about doing it in style, power, and luxury that no other vehicle can match. While most of us can only dream of such a machine, it's fascinating to see how Bugatti continues to